In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create ads on Meta from a spreadsheet. And in this particular example, I'm just going to show you how you can take videos that live in your Google Drive folder, and how you can prepare this spreadsheet and then upload the videos to Facebook and use that video to create a new video ad or many video ads as you like. And this is actually a simplified version of a spreadsheet that a lot of our customers over at Kitchen.io have been using, like VShred and a few other brands and a ton of agencies that simplify their work and really stop spending so much time, wasting time on manual work like uploading ads into the ad platform. So here's how it works. We have our spreadsheet over here, and what this spreadsheet allows us to do is to upload video ads. So single video ads where we have one video with one text option for each element. And as you can see, we can, let me go over here, we can choose a call to action button. We can choose the destination, description, headline, and primary text. And then we have two empty fields here that are the target asset ID, so where do I want to upload the ad, and then the asset link. So what I want to do is I want to take this video and upload it as part of my ads. So I'm just going to right click, go to share, and this this video asset needs to be shared with anybody. So it needs to be available by anybody. So I'm just going to copy the link and then go back to my spreadsheet and add the URL here. So this is the structure that we're looking for. And then I'm going to go to Ads Manager and get my ad set ID. So I want to upload my ads into this uploading ad set. Cool. That's all I need to do. And I'm just going to copy this down. And now I want to upload this asset and then use the same video for 3 ads. So I'm just going to do that for now. Upload asset, go to upload assets first. And so in the background now, this will be passed to Facebook and uploaded, and then we get back a video ID. So there we have it. And then I want to create 3 ads. So this one was already switched over to the create ad mode. I'm just going to click create ad, create ad, create ad. And once again, go to Kitchen and hit create ad. And then you can see that all of our ads have been created. We get preview links and we get ad IDs as well. So if I now go into the Ads Manager and open the ads, I can see I created a new video ad, another video ad, and a third one. And this was pretty quick. So like I said before, we're sort of limited in the way that we have we can only create video ads right now, single video ads. Image ads are not possible, and customizing the asset is also not possible. So uploading multiple different videos. How this worked under the hood is, and if you're wondering, where did I enter the page ID? Where did I enter maybe the tracking information? There's actually one more element to this under the hood, which is what we call a template ad ID. And the template ad is essentially the ad that has already all of the required settings that we don't want to change. So think of it like if you're launching a creative test and you maybe don't even care about changing the primary text, then maybe you don't want to enter this into a spreadsheet. Maybe this is just something that you copy over from a template ad. But let me show you now how it works under the hood. So we're using something called AppScript. And essentially, there are a bunch of different functions that you can write in here in JavaScript or in a JavaScript dialect. And it, for example, as you can see here, the upload assets function will look at the ads tab in the spreadsheet and look in the range A2 to A and then basically do its thing here. You don't need to care about that. If you can read it, great. But you don't need to care about that. What you do need to do is you need to go in here and basically change the account ID where you want to launch your ads. You need to add a template ID, ad ID of an ad that is already in your account, where you want to, again, copy over the identity and tracking settings. And then you need to copy over an access token. And I've linked a video tutorial that explains to you how you can create your own Facebook application and generate an access token. Once you have that, it's pretty straightforward. All you need to do is go over to your Graph API Explorer and then generate the access token. This one will only last a few hours, so you'll have to renew it every single time. But there's also a possibility of making this last longer for about 60 days.